We have to assemble. Excavator! Let's drag the part to the right. Done! Now we need to fill it. Excavator! Look at the color of the tank cap and choose the refueling gun of the same color. Pump. Don't stop. Let's dig a hole for the fountain. Let's wash. Excavator! Let's get the dirt off the vehicle with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble. Cement mixer. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Cement mixer. Pump. We did it! Let's get the embedded hoses for the nozzles ready. We need to wash. Cement mixer. Run the brush alongside the vehicle to remove dirt. Drag the washer along the vehicle and remove. Ready. We have to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Ready. Let's place the waterproofing and tiles on the bottom. Let's wash. Drop side truck. Move the brush to wash the dirt away. Move the washer along the vehicle to clean up the rest of the foam. Don't stop. We need to assemble. Minivan. Don't stop. Filling. Minivan. Try another color. Pump. Ready. Let's install the water delivery pump. We need to wash. Minivan. Move the brush to wash the dirt away. Drag the washer along the vehicle and remove the rest of the foam. Don't stop. We have to assemble. Lift crane. Don't stop. Filling. Lift crane. Choose another color. Pump. That's all. Let's install the upper and lower levels. Let's wash. Lift crane. Run the brush alongside the vehicle to remove dirt. Move the washer along the vehicle to clean up the rest of the foam. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Try another color. Try another color. Pump. Hooray! Let's place the tiles and decorations. We need to wash. Drop side truck. Run the brush alongside the vehicle to remove dirt. Move the washer along the vehicle to clean up the rest of the foam. Amazing! We have to assemble. Water truck. Amazing! Filling. Water truck. Try another refueling gun. Press the pump. Done! Let's fill it with water and turn the fountain on. We need to wash. Water truck. Run the brush alongside the vehicle to remove dirt. Drag the washer along the vehicle and remove the rest of the foam. Keep it up. We have to assemble. Pickup truck. Keep it up. Filling. Pickup truck. Try another color. Pump. Hooray! Let's place the ice cream stand. The fountain construction is complete. You've got a great place to relax.